Did you know a pilot vanished mid-flight while describing something impossible following his plane? October 21st, 1978, Bass Strait, Australia. 20-year-old Frederick Valentich was flying alone when he radioed air traffic control. Something was wrong. A strange aircraft was stalking him, making moves no plane could make. For 4 minutes, controllers listened as Valentich described the object playing games with his aircraft. It had a green light. It was toying with him. Then, Valentich said something that still haunts investigators today. The object was not an aircraft. His radio crackled. Then came 17 seconds of metallic scraping sounds. Then, silence. Despite massive search efforts, no trace of Valentich or his plane was ever found. Here's what makes this case truly disturbing. Multiple witnesses reported green lights in the area that same night. Valentich was obsessed with UFOs, and those scraping sounds continued for 17 seconds after he stopped talking. The official report called it a presumed fatal accident. But what was making those sounds when Valentich was already gone?